Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, the 21st of September 2020. It's the official last day of summer. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got our mixed number review. That is a worksheet, so we will not be in big ideas. We also have an assignment called Extra Credit 1 that is due Friday, the 25th. There are directions posted in Google Classroom under your math class for that. In the accelerated math, you need to finish your Chapter 2 test and make sure that you take your work to Mrs. Caparini before the end of the day. You also have Extra Credit 1, and that is due Friday as well. In science, we've got a finishing measuring length worksheet. The accelerated class has no homework. In social studies, we need to study and practice our map skills and our key terms, as we do have a map skills quiz tomorrow. In language arts, the regular class has a writer's notebook, chapter 7 entry. This is about lists. You need to make 2 separate lists that have at least 6 things in there. Tomorrow, we will meet in the library for all language arts classes. For the accelerated, you have a writer's notebook, both chapters 1 and 2, your entries. That's for homework this evening. In literature, remember our points are due October 9th, so we need to make sure that we are working on that and getting our points. In careers in life, you need to finish your research project, and you also need to put time into your goal for working on working project. And in FCS 6, there is no homework. That's going to be it for this Monday. Hopefully everyone has a wonderful evening, and we will see you tomorrow.